Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing this universal dust cleaning kit. So, let me take off this plastic wrap first so you can see the instructions better. But it was like a clay dough thing, putty type material that seems like it cleans dust and everything in your car, laptop, all that stuff. Check it out. Universal dust cleaning kit. Cleaner for keyboard, car, vent, cameras, printers, calculators. The video looked really cool. Get away from direct sunlight. There's the top. All right, let's check it out. I'll drop a link in the video description on where you can get this from. So it's sealed. Interesting. It's like putty material. Apparently it picks up dust and stuff well. Here, I actually have a dusty keyboard lying around. Let's try it out on this. All right. Dusty old keyboard. Yeah, picked up the stuff here, I guess. Let's see. I think that's how it works. This probably doesn't come up. Did it work? Yeah, I guess this stuff's not coming off anyway. I think it got all the dust off. Interesting. Very interesting. Yeah, let me know what you guys think of this in the comment section below. I'll try it out in my car because that's really what I bought it for, to try this out, to clean the nooks and crannies. Interesting. Cool. Let me know what you guys think of this in the comment section below. Hope you're all doing well. Catch you all for the next unboxing video. Later.